everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark makes direct statement to Protégé. Ooh. Well, Dr. Clark declared to the Grammy-nominated reggae crooner that reggae music will be played in Kingston 24/7. His remarks were made on Tuesday, just days after the director of Lost in Time Festival, Protégé, made a call for entertainment zones in the Kingston area.
I want to humbly tell Protégé that this government of Prime Minister Holness listens and we hear you.
Clark also announced plans to transform the Kingston and St. Catherine areas, Jam World and Fort Rocky, into a 24/7 entertainment zone with a value of $120 million. Meanwhile, the entertainment sector is to get an insurance plan. Jamaica is set to launch health and personal accident and life insurance programs for the Jamaica entertainment and creative practitioners next fiscal year. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Grange announced the initiative during the meeting of the Standing Finance Committee.
There is an allocation to allow us to begin implementation of two very important programs. One, the Jamaica Entertainment and Creative Practitioners Health and Personal Accident Insurance Program, and the Jamaica Entertainment and Creative Practitioners Life Insurance Program.
The insurance plan aims to address the issue of funeral costs for pioneers in the music industry. Grange urged practitioners to sign up on the e-registry on the Ministry's website to access the benefits.
I'm urging practitioners to sign up to the e-registry on the Ministry's website, and being registered will be a requirement to access the benefits of the program.
Northwest announces her first album, Elementary School Dropout. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's daughter North made the announcement, which is a play on her father's debut album, College Dropout, while participating in the listening event for Ye's album Vultures 2. While this will be North's debut project, it's not her first venture into the music industry, and it follows her Billboard Hot 100 entry, a collaboration on Kanye's tune Talking, which made her one of the youngest charting artists. Now, the U.S. House passes bill to force TikTok sale from Chinese owner or ban the app. The House of Representatives has passed a bill called Protecting Americans from Foreign Advisor-Controlled Applications Act, which would make it illegal to distribute or host a foreign adversary-controlled application in the U.S. unless the Chinese owner, ByteDance, divests its interest in the app. The bill also gives the U.S. president the authority to determine which apps controlled by hostile foreign governments should be subject to the divestiture requirement. Violations would result in fines of up to $5,000 for every user found to have accessed, maintained, or updated foreign adversary-controlled applications. No more taps and roses. Jeez. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.